Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss vowel sounds. There are total 20 vowels. Short vowels are 7 in numbers, and these are E, A, 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 U, O, O, and the last one is A. Last one is A. For example, last one. The example of last one is but, cut, shirt. That's the first one is E, A, 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 U, O, last one is ah. These are the short vowels. Next we are going to discuss long vowels. So there are 5 long vowels, and these are as under. This is the long vowels. These are the long vowels, and the first one is E. E. First one is E. Second one is A. Third one is oo, and fourth one is for example, for girl, girl, world. Fourth one. Fifth one is oo. Fifth one is oo. For example, two, two. These are the long vowels. The first one is E. First one is E. Second one is A. Third one is oo. Fourth one is edge. For example, in girl, and for fifth one is oo. Fifth one is oo. These are the long vowels. Next, we are going to discuss diphthongs. Diphthongs means when two vowels come together. These are called we call them diphthongs. And there are total 8 diphthongs in 8 diphthongs. Among these are the first one is I. First one is I. Second one is O. Second one is O. For example, in boy, boy, toy. Third one is ear. Third one is ear. Third one is ear. For example, deer, here. Fourth one is I. Fourth one is I. For example, in mine, sky, mine, sky. Fifth one is Ouya. Fifth one is Ouya. For example, in poor, poor. Sixth one is Ow, ow. For example, now. Fifth one is ow. For example, in now. And mouth, mouth. Sixth one is aya. Sixth one is aya. For example, in near, dear, near, dear. And last one is eo, eo, eo. For example, crew. For example, crew. Oh, oh. So the first one is E. First one is E. First one is E. Second one is O. For example, in boy. Third one is ear. For example, deer, here. Fourth one is I, mine, sky, fly. Fifth one is Ouya, poor. So subscribe my channel.